Hey guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to make fluffy slime, and it is like so fluffy. Oh, it's so fluffy. I love slime. Yeah, and this is actually my first video ever, so please help me out and like and subscribe. But yeah, so let's get into it. And I'm sorry if I'm like if it shows that I'm really tired in the audio for this video. um I'm like, when I recorded the narration for it, I was really tired. So I'm sorry if it shows, but yeah, so here it goes. Hi, so first I'm gonna take about a cup of glue and just pour it in the bowl. You might need a spoon to help you get out all of the glue out of the measuring cup, because it can get a little sticky. Now I'm just going to take about a half a cup of water and pour it in there and mix thoroughly. So now I'm going to take some hot water and pour it in a little dish, and I have about a tablespoon of borax set aside, and I'm just going to pour that into the hot water and let that dissolve. You should also stir that up a little bit to help it dissolve. So I'm just going to take about 3 cups of shaving cream, and my 1 cup measuring cup is covered in glue. So I'm using a half cup measuring cup, and I'm just going to estimate about 3 cups. Doesn't have to be exact. So I'm going to put in a little bit of food coloring just to give it a nice color. I'm making a pink kind of color. Just going to stir up the container of borax and make sure it's all kind of dissolved nicely. And I'm just going to slowly pour in some borax and stir until it all kind of comes together. You probably aren't going to use all of the borax mixture, just enough so it kind of comes together. So now that it's kind of come together, it's going to be really sticky, but you just need to knead it and just kind of play around with it, and it'll start to get less sticky. But at first it's definitely going to be sticky and messy, but it'll get nice and put together and fun and super stretchy. So I'm just kneading it and getting it all nice and less sticky. Okay, so now you can just play with your slime and enjoy it. and you can keep it in an airtight container to just kind of preserve it for longer. It should last a couple of days. It's so fun and it's super fluffy. Enjoy your slime. Okay, so there you have it. So some awesome, super fun, fluffy slime. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you make some slime. So yeah, bye.